Hello, and welcome to My Buddy Mr. English. This is day 1 of the 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Today's topic is talking about yourself. In this video, you'll practice speaking English by listening and repeating natural English sentences. The goal of this challenge is to help you improve your pronunciation, fluency, and speaking confidence through daily practice. Try to copy not only the words, but also the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. You can also download the free PDF in the description. It includes translations in 5 different languages to help you understand and practice more easily. If your language is not included in the PDF, leave a comment below and let me know. I may add it in a future version. If you're ready, let's get started with today's shadowing practice. Listen first. My name is Alex. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. My name is Alex. Great job. Let's move on. Listen first. I'm from Canada. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I'm from Canada. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I live in a small city. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I live in a small city. Well done. Here's the next one. Listen first. I'm currently a student. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I'm currently a student. Nice work. Let's keep going. Listen first. I work as a teacher. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I work as a teacher. Great. Let's move to the next sentence.
Listen first. I'm interested in learning English. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I'm interested in learning English. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I enjoy reading books in my free time. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I enjoy reading books in my free time. Fantastic. Here's the next one. Listen first. One of my hobbies is playing football. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. One of my hobbies is playing football. Great job. Let's keep going. Listen first. I like meeting new people. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I like meeting new people. Excellent work. One more sentence. Listen first. I'm a friendly and easygoing person. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I'm a friendly and easygoing person. Fantastic job. You've completed the first 10 expressions. Take a moment to review them if you need to. When you're ready, let's continue with the next 10 expressions. Listen first. I usually spend my weekends with my family. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I usually spend my weekends with my family. Great job. Let's move on. Listen first. I'm trying to improve my English every day. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I'm trying to improve my English every day. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I've been studying English for several years. Now repeat. And now shadow with me. I've been studying English for several years. Well done. Here's the next one. Listen first. My favorite subject is history. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. My favorite subject is history. Nice work. Let's keep going. Listen first. I'm passionate about traveling. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm passionate about traveling. Great! Let's move to the next sentence.
Listen first. I enjoy learning about different cultures. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy learning about different cultures. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I'm quite organized and responsible. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm quite organized and responsible. Fantastic. Here's the next one. Listen first. I prefer working in a team. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I prefer working in a team. Great job. Let's keep going. Listen first. One of my strengths is patience. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. One of my strengths is patience. Excellent work. One more sentence. Listen first. I always try to stay positive. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I always try to stay positive.
Fantastic job! You've now completed 20 expressions. You're making great progress so far. Take a short break if you need to, and when you're ready, let's continue with the next 10 expressions.
Listen first. I'm looking forward to achieving my goals. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm looking forward to achieving my goals. Great job. Let's move on. Listen first. I'd like to become more confident in speaking English. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'd like to become more confident in speaking English. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I enjoy watching movies in English. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy watching movies in English. Well done. Here's the next one. Listen first. I often listen to podcasts to improve my listening skills. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I often listen to podcasts to improve my listening skills. Nice work. Let's keep going.
Listen first. I believe learning English can open many opportunities. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I believe learning English can open many opportunities. Great. Let's move to the next sentence. Listen first. I'm excited to be part of this challenge. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm excited to be part of this challenge. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I enjoy challenging myself with new goals. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy challenging myself with new goals. Fantastic! Here's the next one. Listen first. I'm always willing to learn new things. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm always willing to learn new things. Great job! Let's keep going.
Listen first. I like helping other people when I can. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I like helping other people when I can. Excellent work. One more sentence. Listen first. My goal is to become a fluent English speaker. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. My goal is to become a fluent English speaker. Fantastic job. You've now completed 30 expressions. Take a moment to appreciate how far you've come. Keep going and stay focused. You're doing a great job. When you're ready, let's continue with the next 10 expressions. Listen first. I usually start my day early. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I usually start my day early. Great job! Let's move on. Listen first. I enjoy spending time outdoors. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy spending time outdoors. Excellent! Let's continue. Listen first. I like trying new foods. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I like trying new foods. Well done! Here's the next one. Listen first. I'm interested in technology. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm interested in technology. Nice work! Let's keep going. Listen first. I enjoy learning new skills. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy learning new skills. Great! Let's move to the next sentence.
Listen first. I often practice English by shadowing. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I often practice English by shadowing. Excellent! Let's continue. Listen first. I believe consistency is important. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I believe consistency is important. Fantastic! Here's the next one. Listen first. I'm motivated to keep improving. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm motivated to keep improving. Great job! Let's keep going. Listen first. I enjoy setting personal goals. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy setting personal goals. Excellent work. One more sentence. Listen first. I'm proud of the progress I've made. Now, repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm proud of the progress I've made. Fantastic job! You've now completed 40 expressions. You're almost there. Only 10 more expressions to go, so stay focused and keep up the great work. When you're ready, let's finish strong with the final 10 expressions. Listen first. I like exploring new ideas. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I like exploring new ideas. Great job. Let's move on. Listen first. I enjoy having meaningful conversations. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy having meaningful conversations. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I'm curious about the world. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm curious about the world. Well done. Here's the next one. Listen first. I always try to do my best. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I always try to do my best. Nice work. Let's keep going.
Listen first. I believe mistakes help us learn. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I believe mistakes help us learn. Great! Let's move to the next sentence. Listen first. I'm grateful for every opportunity to learn. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm grateful for every opportunity to learn. Excellent. Let's continue. Listen first. I enjoy sharing my experiences with others. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I enjoy sharing my experiences with others. Fantastic! Here's the next one. Listen first. I'm working toward a brighter future. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm working toward a brighter future. Great job. Let's keep going. Listen first. I'm happy to be here today. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. I'm happy to be here today. Excellent work. One final sentence. Listen first. Thank you for listening to my introduction. Now repeat. And now, shadow with me. Thank you for listening to my introduction. Great job completing day 1 of the 30-day English Shadowing Challenge. Remember, the key to improving your English is consistent daily practice. Don't worry if you can't repeat everything perfectly yet. Just keep showing up and doing your best. If you completed today's challenge, comment Day 1 done. Don't forget to download the free PDF in the description for translations and extra practice. If your language is not included in the PDF, leave a comment and let me know. I'll see you in Day 2. Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep speaking English every day.